if there is a massive continuous supply of oxygen, aerobic glycolysis will continue, whereby pyruvate will be transported to the mitochondria to form acetyl-CoA. From acetyl-CoA, TCA cycle will occur. TCA cycle, or we call it Krebs cycle, will occur, whereby we will form the energy in the electron transport chain in the inner mitochondrial matrix. But if there is no abundant supply of oxygen, what happens? Pyruvate will be shunted to form what? Lactic acid, using what we call lactate dehydrogenase. Lactate what? Dehydrogenase, oxidizing what? Two molecules of NADH to what? NAD plus. Don't forget it. If there's no oxygen, what will happen? Anaerobic what? Glycolysis will occur, whereby pyruvate will form what? Lactic acid, using what? Lactate dehydrogenase, so thereby oxidizing NADH to what? NAD plus. Simple. And here, if there's continuous formation of lactic acid, this will be built up in the what? In the muscle. And if it continues to build up in the muscle, it will form what we call lactic or the acidosis. And when lactic acidosis occur, it will cause cramping of the muscle, and this will cause enough what? Pain. So when we have muscle cramps is due to the increased amount of lactic acid in the muscle. When we use up our muscle too much, there'll be a drop in oxygen. Maybe during strenuous exercise, there'll be a drop in what? Oxygen. And when there's a drop in oxygen, there'll be high amount of lactic acid in the blood, and the lactic acid will be filled in the muscle, and when it's filled in the muscle, we'll be feeling pain, which will cause what we call crampiness, pain in the muscle. If the oxygen level decreases, what happens? We'll be forming lactic acid. And remember, we have lactate dehydrogenase, and that lactate dehydrogenase oxidizes NADH to NAD plus, two molecules of NADH to NAD plus. So if you are converting 2 molecules of NADH to NAD plus, which means you are losing how many ATP? You are losing 6 ATP, because 2 NADH is being reduced to 2 NAD plus, thereby losing another 6 ATP. So in anaerobic glycolysis, the 8 ATP you formed from aerobic glycolysis, if there's a drop in oxygen, that 8 ATP will be minus with 6 ATP you are losing to form what? 2 ATP. So in aerobic glycolysis, you are forming what? 8 ATP. But in anaerobic glycolysis, you are forming what? 2 ATP, because 6 ATP is lost. Don't forget, this is the energy profile of what? Glycolysis. Aerobic glycolysis, the net ATP is 8. In anaerobic glycolysis, the net ATP is what? 2.